morning friends, welcome to economic classes. Friends, in the last class we have discussed about isocont curve and production function. Well, so in this class we are directly moving towards the different concepts of short run and long run in the production, as well as the different concepts of production, that is total product, average product and marginal product. Well, okay, so let us come to the topic now. First of all, we will discuss the different short run and long run concepts in the production. So here, if we go to the production, how the production is going to take place. So we are going to look here short run and long run in the production. Short run and long run in the production. So what actually the meaning of short run and what actually the meaning of long run in case of production? Well, so before going to this short run as well as the long run, one more we are going to divide on the basis of time period, and that is very short run. So here the production process takes place in different time periods. It may be within the short run, or it may be in the medium term, or it may be in the long term. But here, in case of economics, the production process, how much of time it is going to take, and that all are going to call as the different concepts of production that is related to time. Well, so first of all, we go with the first one, that is very short run. Very short run period. What do you mean by very short run period? Very short run. Friends, very short run which indicates if the production process which takes place within a year, within 1 year, which means the production process which takes place within a year, within 1 year, within 1 year. If the production process which takes place within the 1 year, if the manager or the manufacturer starts producing the commodities, and if the target is to finish that production within 1 year, if the production process which completes starting with 0 to 1 year, and that is what we are going to call it as a very short run period in the production process. Well, here as we all know that we are going to use different factors of production. So what is the nature of factors of production in case of very short run period? Friends, the factors of production in very short run periods are going to be assumed as fixed factors of production. See, whatever the factors that we are going to use, what are the factors that we use? Land, labor, organization and capital. So all these what we are going to use in the production process within very short term period are going to be assumed as fixed in nature, which means as we have very short term period, then the factors of productions are not going to change. Okay, that is one assumption we do. We are not supposed to change any of the factors of production as we have very less time, that is very short term period of 1 year. So for that reason, all the factors of production are going to be assumed as, that is what, fixed in nature. Okay, this is what very short term period. Coming to the second one, after the very short term period, second one, short run period. Short run period. Don't get confusion here. Very short term within 1 year. Short term, that is how we are looking into here. Short run period here. Short run, which means if the production process which takes place in between 1 to 5 years. In between 1 to 5 years. If the production which takes between 1 to 5 years. So let us go to the meaning here. The production process which takes place 1 to 5 years. 1 to 5 years. If within the 1 year, very short run period, whereas if it is 1 to 5 years, then it is going to call as what? Short run period. Then the question arises again, what about the factors of production as we use in the production process? Well, so in case of this short run period, whatever the factors of production we are going to use, some of the factors of production are going to assume as fixed and some of other factors are going to assume as variable in nature. Okay, so usually what we are going to say here, the factors of production, sum of factors of productions, factors are assumed as constant. Some of the factors of production are assumed as constant and some other are assumed as variable in nature. Some of factors of productions are going to assume as fixed and some other are going to assume as variable. Usually in this case, which factors are going to be assumed as fixed and which factors are going to assume as variable. So if I say fixed variables or fixed factors of production, fixed factors of production. So what are the this is what factors of production you are going to assume as fixed. So usually that is what land, okay, capital and organization. Most of the time we are going to assume land, capital and organizations are going to be fixed in nature. And coming to the variable in nature, variable factors of production. So variable, which means which go on changing here, not fixed, okay, which are not going to constant. So what are those? Usually that will be taken as labor. Alright, so this is how we are going to say that in the short run period where the production process is going to take in between 1 to 5 years, which means the producer starts his production after 1 year, which means he is going to target that production must be completed within the 5 years, and he targets and he completes within 5 years. And in that case, some of the factors are going to change, some of the factors are not going to be changing. So this is how sum of assumed as fixed, that is land, capital and organization, and labor is assumed as variable factor, which keep on changing. One day we may take 100 laborers and another day we may take 50 laborers and 70 laborers, and due to how the requirement of the production is there, on that basis we are going to change in the labors, but not in case of land, capital and organization. Okay, so this is about short run period in the production. We'll come to the last one, that is long run production. Long run production or long run period. Well, come to the long run now. Long run, how you are going to define the long run? Long run period. Well, how you are going to say long run? Long run, which means beyond the 5 years. Alright? So, if the production process takes place over and above if the production process takes place over and above of 5 years. If the production which takes over and above the 5 years, then we are going to call it as what? That is long run period. So here again, if we come to the different factors of productions. So usually all factors of production are assumed as as constant. All the factors of production here. So land, labor, capital and organizations. Nothing here going to be assumed as fixed. All they are going to assumed as variable in nature. Variable, okay, sorry, here not constant. That is what all the factors of productions are assumed as variable. Variable in nature. Variable which means which keep on changing. Where they are not going to be assumed as constant. Okay, so they are not going to be fixed. Due to what reason here, that all even land can also be changed, or which can be considered as a variable in nature. So why we are going to consider that as a variable? That is what factors of production, because as we have more time here, we have sufficient time. It's not as in case of very short run period. Very short run period where it consists of within 1 year, whereas in case of long run we have sufficient time, more than 5 years, 10 years. How many of years that we are going to decide, that will be that depends on the manufacturer. So for that reason, here all the factors whatever we are going to use in the production process are going to be that is what assumed as variable in nature. With whatever you want to change in the factors of production, you can change. If any that is what adjustments that you want to do in case of factors, that you want to sell or to purchase or to increase or expand or even contract or decrease in case of any of these factors, we can do, and that is what it is called long run production. So long run period or long run production process. Okay, so this is the production which takes place in the more than 5 years. It is called long run production. Okay, well, so after this we go to one more topic, and that is TP, total product, MP, marginal product, AP, average product. Let us see in the next period. Thank you.